Alright, it's Garv. I'm back. So, I did go to school yesterday, but my original teacher from the first day, Mr. B, pulled up. But what we didn't know this whole time is that he was sick. So he came yesterday and tried to be here, and basically he felt too sick to stay, so he left. So we didn't really do shit yesterday. So I was like, bro, whatever. I'm not even about to record because it ain't really shit going on. You feel me? So, I said today I'm gonna lock in, regardless or not, and record some shit because I'm cooking up some shit on the BMW. So I'm gonna show you. The interior is almost done and all of that good stuff. So after I leave school today, I'm probably give y'all a little update on that. But hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. I appreciate y'all as always for the subs, the likes, the comments. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the vibes. God damn! Y'all the main cast today. I'm out of here.
Wait, we didn't cheat, okay.
We used our resources. He wants us to spin at 360 degrees and see if it's time for it. Yeah, after we throw everything back on. Yeah. Let's clean up this shit right here. What? That's Sanchez? No.
That's a sensor.
Yo, Enrique.
What sensor?
Don't worry.
What?
We aren't even
With the intake.
the engine's not going inside the car, so it doesn't even read the ABS.
Enrique, can you give me the alternator?
It doesn't fight.
It's on us today. It's on us today. Oh, look.
It's actually recording.
Honestly, if you see my parents, yeah, I'm not going last person. My dad probably has like my type of hairstyle. Yo! Wait, I mean, the bottom one. Okay, the bottom one. Like pull this out.
That was better, right? Flappy, bro. That was better, right? Flappy, Did I ever beat Flappy Bird? I never beat Flappy Bird.
Really? Solid. Wait, why y'all lost it?
I used to
We
play.
still gotta tighten this.
I used to play Agario IO.
Ooh, I remember that. Nah, you know ball.
IO too.
I was tough at Slither. I know you were tough at Slither. You play that all the time. Oh, I play Snake on
There's a big yo. This is a 12. I think he did 40.
You heard 26?
46?
What the fuck? Are you serious? Y'all be saying I don't say shit, and then y'all get mad at me. Oh, wow. Like,
Like,
Yo, Rico's fucking around. I'm. We chill.
They clearly said 26. And you took it to 46. That's not weird. Can I take this lock off now?
No. We still got that.
That's good.
You didn't bring it one. Alright, one smaller. What's our torch spec for that? Yeah, give me a 16.
You will go with that.
You're 18. Not the small one?
That's my mom, man. That's his aunt. We don't say that stuff. That's fucked up.
Beat the shit out of it.
Oh, yo, just double pants like 30. We're all gonna jump down. He's gonna want to fight all of them. 26, 26 punches. Each. Oh, 25 punches each.
Hey, you want some sauce?
Yeah, what's it called? Tony said that if we give him birthday punches, he's gonna start swinging. So we all have a plan.
First one is swinging me? No, Angel.
Let me see the final result.
Let's see the final result.
That boat looks fucked.
Touch it.
No, because it's gonna be hot as shit.
Exactly. That's exactly right.
And that's a fucking piston. A cap? Oh, fuck.
For the crank cap.
Right. One of the crank caps. Fuck. That's no good.
You said,
Walkie slush.
Alright. 15 last time. He's not like yo, 60 degrees. Let's take out the log.
wait, how did this get undone? Guys, you ain't knock it? Wait, who took out the log?
Damn.
Why you laughing at me? Now I gotta redo it.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
That's okay. Because I thought we had everything done already, so I was like, we can take it out now. It's fine. Everything looks good.
ECU? What else?
TCU,
That's a
transmission control, yeah.
motor.
Oh, the engines. Oh,
Engine specific. ECU was one. What was another one?
damn.
Once, going twice. Got nada?
Something outside of the East.
A PCM.
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. nice of you to brace us.
You know we won the game, you stink that.
You want to sit down?
Huh?
You want to sit down? You're interrupting
Want
my
me to?
lesson.
I'm trying to learn here.
Came in, interrupted.
Yeah. You're a tiger.
I don't care about your pen. Go sit down. Look out. We got a pressure sensor here. Yeah? What does the pressure sensor do in a circuit?
It measures the pressure flowing.
Right, so it'll measure it with plus or minuses. Why do I say plus or minuses? What does a sensor, computer, module, what do these things, how do they talk to each other? In what type of language?
Electrical signals.
Like,
More specific?
you say positive and negative?
Think about it this way, guys. We got a bunch of zeros and ones, zeros and ones, zeros and ones, zeros and ones, yeah?
What?
That is what I call code. This code is input into this pressure sensor that relays information to a box. That's my module. My module has this code imprinted here. What does this send back and forth?
Probably one different codes for depending on if it's a positive or negative pressure.
You know everything. Why are you not saying it? You did.
Where's the fucking camera? Let it be known I did not say it.
Alright guys, I'll give it to you, alright? Voltage.
Oh my god!
What?
Modules, sensors, and all that, they communicate through voltage. Voltage is the universal language of electrical components. Those voltage readings have to be within a specified range that codes interpret and mandate. I got no fucking heart. Where you going? Close my damn door.
What are you doing?
Who? I don't know what your name is. I'll just leave you blocked out. Paul?
Yeah.
How you know his name? You can't
forget
forget
Paul.
Paul. How you know his name?
You can't forget Paul.
Paul's such a generic
It's
name.
just Paul.
No, I know Paul. I know Paul because he thinks he knows everything.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm pretty sure he knows everything
That
in
one.
his class already. That's why he's
Yeah,
like,
in my rematch on Thursday.
In what game? In what
Oh yeah, I
game?
was at the court just now. Rematch.
hey, are you with them?
Huh? No.
Who did it?
Nobody cooked me. Tell them mind their business. Stop doubling. Stop doubling. Yeah, I can't guard you. Stop doubling. I wish you was there with the camera, bro. You'd have seen it. Footage.
Oh, fuck. It's always something. It's always something happening. I'm not saying
You got the knee.
I always tell you wait the time.
Early in the morning, 2 a.m. Before we get into every yo, 9 o'clock in the morning.
They're doing the like, you know, the
First grade.
That's dope. You know how you eat double? You know how this is double? Why do you do that? They're doing the same thing. Double? Like, you know how you eat double?
People complain about
doubles all the time.
Yes. Get mama.
Take that shit. You know, all I learned of OG. There ain't no playing some people.
Talk again. Faggot.
Yeah, man.
Don't worry, I'll be laughing in the corner when you guys are home.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
We're ready.
Oh, you're not laughing at that? I thought that shit was hilarious, bro.
I'm funny. I'm funny.
Need you for my
I don't know what kind of rap you
Need
tell me
you for
what
my
kind of rap you
crime.
Yo, McCoy, ask them what they know.
People usually complain about good defenders.
But they say you double team.
You know why he sent you here? Because you keep saying that.
You take a whole anatomy bone and they'll tell me.
Oh, it's time to go, CV.
Who's getting piped?
Hey, yo. Hopefully not me.
All right, welcome y'all. Welcome. Today we have a
It's on
group.
this one.
We have a group of wild niggas.
So as you can see, you have. Let me get my finger. That you have the teacher. Look how he just pumped his chest like a gorilla.
Wait, what?
I don't want to cross nobody.
Oh yeah, you put your top right.
Damn! Yo, when you look at the video, I didn't get that, but when you look at the video, bro, this is
What the hell did he say? He said some dumb shit?
No, he said some smart ass shit that you're gonna love to edit.
Oh yeah, you probably got to go. I want to listen to that before you take. I
got you. I got you. What he said?
Because I can't go over 30.
I'm not gonna tell him I'm gonna be on time tomorrow because
I'm gonna get 17 hours. I'm gonna get like a guaranteed 6 hours.
You go. No problem. Nigga, I already know I'm lying.
Fuck y'all, we gotta run.
Yeah, we gotta
start skadoodling.
run.
Yo, hurry up, y'all. Yo, you know.
Peace out.
Yeah, I was really racing for that last clip.